Hey YouTube, it's me again, Chris, and today we're gonna do another product review for this camera light. This light is another item I purchased from the same shop that I ordered from uh, the other day with the Boya lavalier microphone. Okay, so it's one gadget again. Their Instagram and Facebook is at one gadget ph. Check them out. Check out their Shopee page as well. It's one gadget. All right. As I mentioned on the previous video, they they primarily sell uh, items from different brands like Yongnuo, Meiki. I don't know how to pronounce that. Sorry. Boya, Road, Zune, Joby, Ulanzi, Godox, etc. So check them out. Very good prices. Probably the cheapest that they're gonna see in Shopee, and the quality is great. They actually carry legit products. They're not like one of those other shops who say they have 100% or 200% original, but then again you receive a fake once you place the order, once you get the items. I mean, all right. So moving forward, let's go ahead and talk about the Ulanzi Selects 112 LED on camera light. Okay, this product sells at 699 pesos. It's an awesome product. I know you say that a lot about their products, but it is great. I've tried it out. If you watch the other video with the Boya lavalier, it was dark. I have very bad lighting in my room, and I used that to light the actual video, and it came out great. Uh, let's go ahead and take a look at the specifications. Now, why is it important to have light? Well, in terms of photography, especially video, light is everything. You need to have good lighting so you could keep good image quality without sacrificing your your aperture or your video quality itself. There's a lot of technical stuff that goes into it, but I'm not gonna bore you with that. The point is, you need to have very good lighting to create very good videos for your content. Okay, so let's take a look at what's inside the box. So here's the actual light. It has a filter, the front clear filter, and oh my god, I'm so sorry. It also has a filter at the back, which is gonna give you an, I don't know, orangey or yellowish tint. Photographers know how to use that. I'm not really a photographer. It has battery slots for AA batteries, four of them. It says on the description on their Shopee page that it can also run with a BP dash. I forgot the actual battery. Let me see if it's here. No, you know what? Let me go ahead and check out the description on their page. But while I'm searching that, I just want you guys to know that it can also run via USB. See there? There's a USB slot, and you can just plug in your USB there, and it should work. That's what I did. I'm gonna show that to you later on. Now with the battery, it's supposed to run on BP-4L batteries. I don't know what those are. I've never seen one. And for AA batteries, of course they're not included, and via the USB. All right, so what can you do with the mic? Oh, I'm sorry. What can you do with this light? This light, you can actually mount it at the top of your camera if you're using a DSLR, because it has this Hotshoe. Okay, you can also screw it onto a tripod if you have one. Okay, you can also adjust the actual brightness by using this dial here and the on and off switch. It's very straightforward, nothing too fancy, nothing too technical. It's a light. Come on, you can expect uh, a really long or a really um, detailed explanation as to how it works. But I want to sound as informative as possible. So let me see if there's anything interesting here on the manual. Here's the manual. It's very simple. It's supposed to have an average life of 60,000 hours. Color with 87. I'm sorry. Color with 85%. LED green numbers 96 or 112 tablets of 2 power. I don't know what that means. I'm so sorry. Uh, Consumption is 9 watts and 11 watts. Color temperature is 5500 K, and illumination angle is 120 degrees. On the box, aside from the actual light and the two filters that's on the light and the manual, comes with this pouch. It's a very simple pouch. It's not as great as the one with the Boya microphone, but it's gonna serve its purpose. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this light. So I have my power bank here. Let me just go ahead and attach it so you can see how bright it gets. Okay. I'm not gonna go ahead and point it towards the camera. Okay. Just give me 1 sec. Okay, so there you go. That's the light with the filter. I'm gonna try to see if I can. There you go. It's very bright. That's crazy. It's crazy bright. It's like you're looking at. It's like you're looking at God. I'm not trying to exaggerate. It's very bright. See? You can just switch it off by using this switch. There you go. So I want to see how it looks like with the orange filter. I know some people are going to correct me. I'm not sure if this is orange, amber, or yellow. I'm not very good with colors. So yeah, it looks great too. This actually looks great. Let's see. Yeah. Reminds me of when I was younger and those video cameras come with lights with this color. Like when they do weddings or nuptials. That's the kind of light that they used to carry, the photographers or videographers. So yeah, you see, for 699 pesos, you're gonna get this very very bright camera light. You can just again, you could use it on a tripod or mount it on your actual DSLR camera. So another awesome product from One Gadget. What can I say? I also purchased a camera battery with those guys. It's working great. I'm actually using it right now on this camera. I'm not gonna do a review on that. You guys know how batteries work, and it works fine. It's actually, to my surprise, it's actually working as well as the original battery. Right? So do check them out. Like I said, they have a lot of awesome stuff. I'm looking forward to their Yongnuo lenses. I hope I can get my hands on one of those. Uh, if they're kind enough to sponsor me, hey, why not? Okay, so again, this is the Ulanzi Select 112 LED on-camera light. Go check them out. If One Gadget would like to send items to me for review, I'd be more than happy to do it, or any other sellers for that matter. I could give you an honest review. So, uh, like I said, the light performs very well, very bright. Uh, for the price point, much like the Boya microphone, it's excellent. Photography and video, it's all about lighting. I'm new to this, and I'm trying to study it. And that tip always comes at the top three. Lighting, lighting, lighting. It's all about lighting. So get good lights. You're gonna be able to create good content. I'm also going to make a series on my channel about uh, using a camera or making videos as a noob. Uh, might not sound interesting now, not interesting now, but I'm gonna see if I can make it interesting. I'm gonna try to involve other people in it. Perhaps I'll show myself on a video. We'll see. I'll figure it out once we get there. For now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit like and subscribe. Share it with your friends. Go ahead and check One Gadget and Shopee and their social media sites. One Gadget PH. That's for Instagram and Facebook. Alright, so that's it for today. So lovely Thursday. A few more days before Christmas, so enjoy the holidays. And goodbye.